Alright guys, Jay's Customized here. And this is going to be a video for all you do-it-yourselfer backyard car mechanics. So, on this video, we're going to be removing the steering wheel on a 1956 Oldsmobile Rocket 88. Now if you've seen in the earlier series, this car has been completely rewired, head to toe, and this dash has been repainted. And the dash looks beautiful, but the steering wheel, not so much. As you can see, it's all cracked. So they're going to be pulling the steering wheel off to put some epoxy on. So right now, I'm going to show you guys how to pull the steering wheel off. So your first step, guys, is you're going to need a flathead screwdriver for this. And as you guys can see, the centerpiece comes off because there's a split there and there. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to get your flathead screwdriver right in this crack. Try not to scratch this chrome because you can't really find these pieces, I don't think. And then you're just going to grab a hold of it and yank it off. And as you guys can see, it's held on with these like spring clips kind of thing that just go in here and clamp on. So next you're going to want to remove your nut right here. And to do that, you can either use a ratchet or an impact. So I'm just going to use a 3/8 impact, and the nut comes right off. But sometimes you might need to use a ratchet depending on how strong your impact is, and depending on how rusted your thing is on here. So as you guys can see there, this whole centerpiece comes off. It's nice and loose, and now all you have is the wheel. So to get this off, you're gonna need a puller. Alright guys, so I got my puller bolted on here. This is a bolt type puller as it's coming on, but I call it a Y type because it looks like a Y. So we're just gonna take an impact. You can also do this with a ratchet. So we're just gonna give it some force here, and actually that came off really easy. And there's your steering wheel. Right there. Comes off that easy. All you need is this puller, a flathead screwdriver, and a ratchet and socket. But it is convenient to have an electric impact. That's all for this video, so make sure to tune back in for some more custom car content.